In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main menu. MailChimp organizes most of its tools clearly, so finding what you need should be fairly straightforward. From the main navigation, click on Audience. This is the section where MailChimp stores and manages your contacts, including subscribers, customers, and other people you want to keep track of for your email marketing. If you're building a new contact list or adding someone manually, this is the place to do it. After opening the Audience section, look for the option to add a contact and click Add Contact. This will open a form where you can manually enter the information for the person you want to include. This is especially useful if you've collected contact details offline, received permission through another channel, or simply need to add someone individually instead of importing a full list. Here, simply enter the necessary information. Depending on your setup, this may include details like the contact's email address, first name, last name, or any other fields your audience uses. As you fill this out, make sure the information is accurate. Even a small typo in an email address can prevent your messages from reaching the right person. It's also a good idea to confirm that you have permission to add the contact, since keeping your audience permission-based helps maintain good email practices and protects your sender reputation. Take your time while reviewing the form before moving forward. If there are optional fields, you can complete them now if they're helpful for organizing your audience later. The more accurate your contact information is, the easier it will be to segment your audience and personalize future campaigns. Once everything is filled in and looks correct, click Add Contact to save the new entry. MailChimp will then add that person to your audience, and they'll appear in your contact list for future use. And that's it. You've successfully created a new audience contact in MailChimp. It's a simple process, but doing it carefully helps keep your email list clean, organized, and ready for effective communication. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.